Today I'm going to share with you a really simple but important posture exercise. Then I'm going to show you a move that you can add to it to create an awesome combination exercise that's great for both forward head posture and rounded shoulders. Stand with your feet 20 centimeters from a wall, then put your back, the backs of your hands and your head against the wall with your chin up. Now slide the back of your head up the wall as far as you can comfortably go, hold it there for 5 seconds, and repeat that several times until light fatigue every second day. In posture correction, we need to strengthen combinations of muscles rather than individual muscles, and this exercise helps to strengthen the most important muscle combination for most people, the deep neck flexors and the long thoracic extension muscles. When they work together, they straighten up the mid-back and pull the head back. This one simple exercise, just as it is fabulous for posture. Standing with the backs of your hands up against the wall strengthens the external rotators of the shoulder too, which is a nice bonus. And as you lengthen your neck, you stretch the deep neck extensors that can pull the back of the head down into bad posture. Now let's have a look at the exercise we can add on, shown separately at first. Start off leaning against the wall like before, but with your chin down, and then press your elbows gently against the wall, intertwine your fingers and pull your hands apart. Keep pulling them apart gently for the whole exercise. Now pull your shoulders back and down and hold for 5 seconds and repeat until light fatigue every second day. If you find you end up trying to arch your lower back as you pull your shoulders back, just engage your abdominal muscles a little bit. This exercise strengthens another important combination of muscles for posture, the serratus anterior and the lower trapezius muscles, which posteriorly tilt the shoulder blades, straightening up the shoulders. But it comes with a great bonus. If you've got your hands pulling apart as you draw your shoulders back, you're strengthening key muscles that move the head of the humerus back within the shoulder joint. And this can do amazing things for the health of your shoulders. Now we're going to combine the two exercises. Firstly, set up like in exercise 2 with your elbows pushing back lightly and hands pulling apart. Then lengthen the back of your neck up the wall and hold it there as you pull your shoulders back and down. Hold both for 5 seconds and repeat until light fatigue every second day. If you don't find that too challenging, you can even move your head and shoulders at the same time. Keep pulling your hands apart, keep your abs slightly engaged, and don't forget to breathe. If you just find it too hard to do these two exercises combined, you can simply do exercise 1 and exercise 2 separately. To fix posture once and for all, you have to address up to a dozen different issues. But with combination exercises like these, you can create a quick and simple posture exercise routine. If you want help with that, you can check out my coaching program in the description box below. Now, if you want to see the 3 exercises everyone in the world should do, check out the link below for that too. Alright, there you go. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing because it always really helps. And let me know how you go in the comment section below because it's always really good feedback. Okay, cheers.